You can easily make your own mulch using fallen leaves. Rake the leaves into a thin layer, about 2 inches, 5 centimeters thick. Then go over them with a lawnmower a few times to shred them into small pieces. Use your leaf mulch right away, or store it in a ventilated bag or barrel. You can also make mulch out of pruned or fallen tree branches and bark. Rent a wood chipper from a hardware store and pass the tree pieces through it to break them into small pieces. Scatter the pieces around the plants in your garden. Grass clippings, pine needles, and shredded paper can all be mixed into homemade mulch too. Use your homemade mulch to help plants retain moisture during the summer and to protect plants from frost during the winter. Spread the mulch out in a layer that's 2 to 6 inches, 5 to 15 centimeters thick over your garden bed.